Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 21st, 2024, and we're diving into Spire's recently released fiscal year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Spire, a major player in the natural gas sector, has just released their full-year results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their earnings performance to their strategic outlook for 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the overall financial performance. Spire reported operating revenues of $2.593 billion for fiscal 2024. How does this compare to last year, and what does it say about their profitability?
Spire's revenue saw a slight decline from $2.666 billion last year, but their net income increased to $250.9 million from $217.5 million. This improvement in profitability is reflected in their adjusted EPS, which rose to 4.455. This indicates that despite lower revenues, Spire has managed to enhance its profitability through operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives.
Segment performance analysis. John, can you break down the performance across Spire's different segments?
Certainly. The gas utility segment saw earnings rise to $220.8 million, driven by new rates and lower operational costs. However, gas marketing earnings dropped to $23.4 million due to less favorable market conditions compared to last year. On the other hand, midstream earnings surged to $33.5 million, thanks to increased storage capacity and new contracts at higher rates.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 52 cents for the quarter. How did Spire's actual performance measure up?
Spire reported an adjusted EPS of 54 cents for the fourth quarter, slightly missing the forecast by 0.20 cents. This minor miss can be attributed to the seasonal nature of their business and the timing of regulatory recoveries, which typically result in a loss during this period.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, what strategic initiatives is Spire focusing on, and what guidance have they provided for fiscal 2025?
Spire has reaffirmed its long-term EPS growth target of 5 to 7% and issued a 2025 EPS guidance of 440 to 460. They plan to invest $7.4 billion over the next decade, primarily in infrastructure upgrades and new business development in their gas utilities segment. This robust capital investment plan is expected to drive future growth and operational excellence.
CEO's perspective. What insights did Spire's CEO Steve Lindsey share about the company's performance and future direction?
Steve Lindsey highlighted the company's solid financial and operational performance despite challenges like warm winter weather and rising interest expenses. He emphasized Spire's commitment to capital-driven growth and operational efficiency, which have been key drivers of their success this year.
Key takeaways. In summary, Spire has delivered a strong performance for fiscal 2024, with significant improvements in profitability and a clear strategic path forward. Their commitment to infrastructure investment and operational efficiency positions them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Spire's performance and prospects.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more insightful analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Spire's performance in the comments below.